Zenscape is about expanding horizons, making life on the move as simple as possible. Presenting the Zenscape Travel Backpack, the simplest backpack to live from, on the move, ever. Your travel wardrobe. Simply hang and go, so you can explore more. Reclaim your valuable time in extraordinary destinations. Pioneering expandable hanging wardrobe integration, providing unrivaled organisation and access to all items. Unwind and relax, stress-free from packing. Panels can be used for bunk privacy, an air-dry pocket and line, perfect for clothes or wet towel, a hidden quick access passport pocket, adaptable capacity with a roll top shut, comfort unisex fit with 4 adjustment points and dual density foam, water bottle and hip belt pockets, a mesh dirty washing bag which doubles up as a flight bag, carry-on size for most major airlines, fits beneath your seat or in the overhead storage. Secure access on the move, with a hidden zip against the user's back and a roll top shut. The main pack material is recycled polyester and Blue Sign approved vendors. Developed from a national award-winning design, recognised by Berghaus, the outdoor equipment brand, at New Designers 2017. The judges' comments: a fully resolved concept, rethought approach to a traditional backpack, fantastic problem solving and innovation, mass market application and appeal. The project has been in development since and has been on multiple backpacking adventures to test the quality and the concept. The backpack is now ready to be shared with the world in a production-ready state. The journey ahead is exciting. Thanks for supporting and joining the community. Get your Kickstarter discount today.